In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and review a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online using the updated report layout. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This takes you to the main report center, where you can quickly find what you need. In the search box at the top, type Profit and Loss. When you see Profit and Loss appear in the results, click it, and the report will open right away. At the top of the report, set your report period using the From and To Date fields. Pick a range that matches what you want to analyze, maybe this month, last month, this quarter, or year to date. Being precise here ensures your numbers reflect the exact time frame you care about. If you're comparing performance over time, align your dates with your accounting periods, like monthly or quarterly, for cleaner comparisons. Next, choose the accounting method, cash or accrual. Cash shows income when money actually hits your bank and expenses when they're paid. Accrual shows income when it's earned and expenses when they're incurred, even if money hasn't moved yet. Select the method that fits how you manage or report your business finances. If you're unsure, match the method you use for taxes or talk with your accountant for guidance. You'll also see options like Display Columns By and Compare To. Display Columns By lets you break out your results by month, quarter, customer, or other categories, so trends and patterns become more obvious. Compare To is helpful when you want to see how this period stacks up against a prior period or the same period last year, often with dollar or percentage changes. Turn these on only if they help tell the story you need. Keeping the view simple is sometimes best. Now, review the key totals. Start with income to see all revenue for the selected period. Then look at expenses, which summarizes what you spent. Finally, focus on net earnings, also called net income or profit, which shows the bottom line after expenses. If something looks off, use the expand arrows to drill into categories and see underlying transactions. As you adjust dates, switch between cash and accrual, or change columns and comparisons, the report updates automatically. You'll see your totals refresh in real time, making it easy to fine-tune your view and verify results without leaving the page. And that's how you run, open, and review a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online using the current interface.